Hi, thanks for joining me. We're going to be making my version of cauliflower rice today. Cauliflower rice is so versatile, it takes the place of rice in any of your dishes, including stuffed cabbage, which I'll be making my version of in due course, but not today. Today I'm just going to show you cauliflower rice. The benefits are extraordinary: antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and also it's great for cholesterol health. So the ingredients do you good while you're really enjoying the product. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to make it. We've got everything we need to make the cauliflower rice. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and ½ teaspoon of sea salt. Pink Himalayan, as we know, is my go-to salt, and 1 whole head of cauliflower. So now we're going to cut up our cauliflower into florets. They can be big because they're just going to go in your food processor, or in my case in the attachment on my mixer, which turns things into the right consistency to be rice. So just cut them up, and when you're ready, we'll wash them, and then they're ready for the food processor. My cauliflower florets are all washed and we're ready to put it through the food processor or attachment. So here we go. So this is the consistency that we're hoping for when it comes out of your food processor. So whichever attachment it is, this is what we're looking for. If you buy it from a store ready riced, it will be coarser than this, but I like this a little bit finer. I think it makes a better rice. So now we're just going to put our ingredients in and pop it in the oven. Now we just put everything in and get this into the oven for, well, 30 minutes total on 400. I've got my oven preheating now. Take it out after 15 minutes and we give it a mix around, put it back in for another 15, but we'll get to that later. First, tablespoon of avocado oil. We're going to toss that in a bit. Now we need ½ teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt or salt of your choice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, gives it a really great color, a teaspoon of onion powder, that gives it a great flavor too, and just toss it around, make sure, do it fairly gently, but you can't really do this any harm. So there we go. And we're ready to put it on the baking sheet and into the oven. I prepared a baking sheet. I just lined it with foil, but you can use parchment paper. And now nothing left to do but get your cauliflower rice onto it and sort of spread it out a little bit, and then into the oven. Make it go to the ends, and then it will be in a really thin layer, which is exactly what you want. And now it's ready for the oven. And you can just sit and have a cup of tea for 15 minutes. Look at that gorgeous colour. This is straight out of the oven at 15 minutes. We're going to give it a stir and then put it back in for another 15, and then we're ready to serve. You don't need to do too much to it, just as long as you kind of give everywhere a chance to get cooked. And then we put it back in the oven. Time is set for another 15 minutes and then it's ready. Cauliflower rice is fresh out of the oven. It looks amazing. It's going to taste just as amazing. You won't be sorry you made this. I'm going to be making mine to go with chicken tikka masala, but you can use it for anything that you would use rice for. If you're going to be making a fried rice, and I'll do that another time, you might want to leave out the turmeric so that you can, you know, have the gorgeous egg infusing with the white color. And just mix, play around. Another time I'll do a Persian rice dish with peas and dill, and you're gonna absolutely love that too. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Just to throw this out, if anybody has like a health issue or anything and you want to know how to eat for health, as it were, just put in the comments and I'll make a dish that works with that. And also any other comments, you know, I value them. So thank you for that. If you like it, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
If you like this video, click like. If you really like it, click subscribe.